How to log out other devices from your Google account. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to log out of your Google account on other devices. This is super helpful if you've signed in on a friend's device, a public computer, or just want to ensure your account's security. Let's get started. Step 1. Access your Google account. First, open your browser or Google app and go to myaccount.google.com. Once you're logged in, this is your Google account management page. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Next, scroll down and click on the Security tab. This section helps you manage the security of your account. Step 3. Check your logged-in devices. Under the Security section, look for the option called Your Devices or Manage All Devices. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the devices currently signed into your Google account. Step 4. Log out from other devices. Now, find the device you want to log out of. Click on the three dots next to it, and you'll see an option to sign out. Select it, confirm your action, and Google will immediately log you out of that devices. If you suspect suspicious activity, you can also choose the Don't Recognize This Device option and secure your account by changing your password. Step 5. Strengthen your account security. For added security, go back to the Security tab and enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of protection to your Google account. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of other devices and secured your Google account. Always remember to check your account activity regularly to keep it safe. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who might find it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and informative tutorials. See you in the next video.